Hello YouTube, so today in this video I will show you how you can obfuscate a Python project. I'm gonna use a Django project for example, but you can use any project you want. Let's install the obfuscation module. So this is a boilerplate code from the Django's official documentation. So let's obfuscate this code. First I will show you like this runs. So the server is running. So let's do the same with the obfuscated code. So entry is the place where you gonna start your Python project. So in Django we basically use manage.py. This will generate a configuration file for the pyarmor. You can also manipulate this reading the documentation. So let's build it. This is the right command. So the project is obfuscated over here in the dist folder. You can go to python manage.py and you can see like how this code looks after the obfuscation. Each and every file is obfuscated. So let's start this obfuscated Django project. And enter dist and run python manage.py. As you can see, it is also started. It is also working. Also, you can like specify a custom path if you want. Like if you don't want to create the obfuscated build in the same directory, you can use like this for the source path and this for the destination path. Also, like you can read upon this documentation, like it is very useful. So I hope you like my video. If you like, please consider subscribing my channel. I'm gonna upload more Python or software engineering related videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.